Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to download iOS 18 beta. So you're going to go to the Safari browser and then go to developer.apple.com. Now at the top left corner, you're going to click on these two lines. You're going to select account and then sign up using your Apple ID. The next thing you're going to do is to agree to the Apple Developer Agreement. And the next page here would ask you to enroll to join the developer program. You don't need to do this. So close the Safari and go to Settings. Then scroll to General and select it. Then select Software Updates. You should now see Beta Updates. Now remember, you may experience some bugs since this is the beta version. Now click on Beta, select iOS 18 Developer Beta, and then go back. And now you can see the option to update to iOS 18. Then go ahead and click on Update Now. And there you have it. This is how to download iOS 18 Beta.